In a previous session, we talked about a basic overview of the question editor and the default settings that are typically chosen for you. In this session, we're going to talk about the few other options you have within the question editor that you can use during a session. Let's get started. The first one is, I'm going to go to settings. We're going to go ahead and turn off show response percentage for each answer. What's going to happen here is that you really won't, as the instructor, see how your audience answered live within a session. Let's go ahead and click Save. The second thing I want to show you here in a different question is go to Settings. We have by default show response percentages for each answer. I'm going to leave that on. But what I'm going to turn on here is show percentages live as each participant submits their answer. This will do exactly what it says. As your audience responds, you'll see what answer they selected. And I'm going to click Save. And the last option I want to show you is turning a question into a bonus question. This is something you can do in Quiz Show and Spinoff. You cannot do this in Catapult. By default, this is off. When you turn on bonus question, you're essentially turning this question into a wager question. And you can apply this at any time or multiple times during a session. I'm going to click Save. Let's go ahead and take a look at these settings. And one thing I do want to point out, we've added 3 different selections for 3 different questions. Let's take a look at this. For the sake of time, I've added 2 virtual response pads to this session. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first category. What we have done in this particular question is we've turned off show response percentages for each answer. As the teams enter, we'll see over here that we have 100% response. And when I click Advance and close out the question, it will just simply show the correct answer. You will not see, as the instructor, the percentage of people that chose D. Let's go to the next option. In this option, we have turned on show response percentage for each answer, which is a default setting. But in addition, we've turned on show percentages live as each participant submits their answer. So as the question goes live here, as response pads are entered, you'll see how they've selected. Now keep in mind, they can always change their answer at any time. In a way, it's kind of a way to mess with somebody's mind. Which answer are they going to choose? The last thing I want to show you is the bonus question. I'm going to click on first question, and you'll notice we see an icon that says this is a bonus question. Now this becomes a wager. So bring in a virtual response pad. The teams can vote up to how many points they have and submit their selection. Well, that's it. Here are some extra options you have within the question editor in the BravoZone. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging. Take care.